Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about writing skill. Writing is the most important thing, an important matter for everybody who wants to be a good or fluent speaker in English, or also a good writer in English. You know that learn how to increase writing ability. Under this topic, I wanna talk to you that reading more and write more. To write something in English, you should read more and more. There is no alternative of reading. Secondly, look up more words in dictionary always, or increase vocabs or vocabulary. Thirdly, know about parts of speech. Parts of speech is the most important part of English grammar. And knowing parts of speech, you can understand the position of every part of speech. And then change the words from noun to verb, verb to adjective, adjective to adverb. Then changing the words, try to make sentences. And making the sentence, following the tense, your sentence will be correct. Correct. So try, and try. With sentence, making and tense, verbs, prepositions, etc. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.